So we're still doing the FPD at A. Now we want to find out the vertical components.
Yep.
Sigma Fy equals 0.
That is just saying the sum of the forces in the y direction, up and down, is equal to 0.
Good.
We know that because it's in equilibrium, nothing's moving.
So what do we have? What's that? RA?
If you remember, RA is reaction at point A, and it's upwards, plus the force between point A and B, sine 43 degrees, and we use FAB sine 43 degrees because FAB is diagonal. It has a bit of force in the upwards direction, a bit of force in the horizontal direction.
Good.
And we were able to separate that out with the last board by taking sine of 43 degrees is equal to vertical component over hypotenuse, and then very simple algebra, we put vertical component is equal to force AB sine of 43 degrees. So
That's what we got.
now we can use that over here. We already know the reaction at point A, 5.95 pounds. Now we just add the force AB times sine of 43 degrees.
Now how do we get the sine of 43 degrees?
We just multiplied it or used the table.
Right, okay.
And that got us 0.682. So now, very simple algebra again. Force of AB is equal to 5.95 over 0.682.
Okay, there's a negative in there, don't forget.
Yes, negative sign in there too.
Okay. So,
And now we solve and we get negative 8.72.
negative 8.72 pounds. Negative, what does that negative mean?
It's compression.
Right, because originally when we, in the FPD, everything, all the forces were pulling away from the joint. So if we get a negative, that means it's the opposite. Instead of pulling away in tension, it's being compressed.
Yep.
Okay, so the force in AB is 8.72 pounds in compression.
Yep.